Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video we're gonna talk about how to fix iPhone showing too wide font on screen and how we can fix it. So let's get started. The one solution that you can try, or a couple of solutions that you can try, is all about the first and foremost step is all about try doing a force restart on your iPhone. So to do so, we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down and keep pressing the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. And now, as you can see, you can just release your finger from there and just wait so that the phone will be completely loaded up, and all you have to do is just wait. And also keep in mind, sometimes when you keep on trying this, it won't fix. You might be still getting the error the same. So what you need to do is you might be like in a loop, so you have to try the force restart not only for once, you have to try it for a couple of times, so that will fix the issue. And also make sure that you might be wondering, what is this two iPhone or appearing kind of a thing over here, like an icons merging on your screen like this. This actually indicates that iPhone is stuck in a recovery mode or boot loop, usually after a failed update restore or a temporary software glitch. That is the reason why this is happening. And also, if you connect to any kind of chargers or any kind of things, you can just unplug it that way. So that can also be done. You can check that part also. But most probably doing a forced restart can fix the issue. If you tried for a couple of times, it won't work. So keep on trying this unless and until the issue is fixed. For the first time, if you try the forced restart, it won't work. If that's the case, keep trying multiple times. That is going to fix the issue. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.